In the endless void between galaxies, there are engines of destruction beyond human comprehension, ancient cosmic guns that fire streams of energy across millions of light-years. These are the Blazars, death rays forged in the hearts of monstrous black holes. Their light, older than our species, still claws its way across spacetime. Every Blazar begins with a supermassive black hole, a gravity well tens of billions of times more massive than the Sun. As nearby stars and gas spiral inward, they ignite a vortex of magnetic chaos. Within this swirling inferno, the seeds of annihilation are born. From the poles of these black holes erupt titanic jets of plasma, accelerated to near the speed of light. Matter is torn apart, atoms stripped of their identity. The energy unleashed could vaporize entire solar systems, yet it travels silently through the vacuum, an invisible scream across the fabric of the cosmos. Astronomers stare at tiny points of light in the sky, unaware that each Blazar is aimed like a cosmic rifle directly at them. When one of these beams points toward Earth, we see its terrible brilliance magnified 1,000-fold. The universe briefly turns its weapon upon us. The jets stretch beyond reason, crossing distances no spaceship could ever dream to traverse. Magnetic fields twist them into serpentine forms, pulsing with lethal energy. Even photons struggle to escape their grip, caught in endless magnetic dance. Radio telescopes capture their signals, eerie, rhythmic pulses echoing through space. Each wave tells a story of a distant apocalypse, where galaxies are shredded and reborn. The hum of the cosmos is not peaceful, it is the static hiss of destruction. Time near a Blazar loses meaning. Hours stretch into millennia as the gravitational field bends reality itself. Inside the jet's luminous funnel, relativity twists light into ribbons, and entire civilizations could perish in a blink. Astronomers in sterile observatories trace the alignment of Blazars across the sky, finding patterns that defy randomness. It is as though the universe arranged these cosmic cannons in deliberate geometry, perhaps not by chance but by design. The oldest Blazars shine from the dawn of creation, their light traveling for billions of years before touching human eyes. They are fossils of cosmic violence, snapshots of the universe's early fury frozen in time. To see one is to gaze backward into chaos. Yet not all Blazars remain constant. Their brightness flickers unpredictably, like the heartbeat of some immense being buried in spacetime. We watch their pulses, wondering if they are signals, or warnings. Some scientists describe them clinically, dismissing any notion of malevolence. But others, after long nights staring at radiation spectra, confess they feel something watching back. The data sometimes whispers, as if the void itself responds. In ultraviolet wavelengths, the power of a Blazar is almost unbearable to comprehend. Each photon that escapes its jet carries energy millions of times greater than any human-made weapon. Our strongest reactors are mere candles in comparison. Imagine standing on a world caught in the path of that beam. Within seconds, the atmosphere would ignite. Oceans would boil away, continents scorched to glass, life obliterated before it could scream. Death, delivered at light speed. To call Blazars rare is misleading, there are hundreds scattered through the observable universe. Each one a ticking bomb of cosmic energy, waiting for some fateful alignment. Their randomness is their terror. As telescopes improve, we uncover new Blazars that seem impossibly distant. Yet their power still threatens us, even from billions of light-years away. Distance offers no comfort when energy travels in straight lines through eternity. The jets pierce intergalactic space, colliding with cosmic dust and gas. Shockwaves ripple through entire galaxies, reshaping them in silent violence. Where the beam goes, existence itself seems to tremble. Blazars feed on the same matter they destroy. Their accretion disks devour gas, stars, and dark matter alike, churning all into radiant fire. They are cosmic predators, sustained by hunger that never ends. Inside the black hole's event horizon, physics breaks. Space folds inward, time collapses, and energy no longer obeys logic. What happens there is unknowable, yet its consequences burn across creation. Gamma rays, invisible yet deadly, pour from these celestial furnaces. Each ray carries a dagger of energy, capable of unmaking atoms. If one struck Earth with full force, it would sterilize our planet instantly. Through simulations, scientists visualize the jet's birth, magnetic lines coiling like serpents around a spinning singularity. Even rendered in numbers, the beauty is monstrous. No digital model can capture its full dread. In mythology, ancient people feared the sky's wrath, lightning, comets, eclipses. Today we know those were nothing compared to the quiet, relentless blaze of a blazer. The universe needs no gods to destroy, it does so naturally. Some blazers align perfectly with Earth, masquerading as distant starlight. We gaze at them unknowingly, appreciating their beauty. Meanwhile, their photons pass through us, a celestial blade so sharp we do not bleed. Astronomers catalog them, giving them sterile names, Markarian, PKS, 3C. But those cold designations conceal stories of annihilation. Each entry in a database is a tombstone for a corner of the universe lost to light. As time marches on, more galaxies fall silent. Their cores extinguished, their light dimming forever. Blazars are both creators and destroyers, shaping what remains by erasing what was. Imagine the day one such beam finds perfect alignment with our solar system. It would arrive without warning, no sound, no glow, just instant dissolution. A cosmic sniper's bullet from across eternity. Even now, instruments constantly watch the high-energy sky for sudden bursts. They look for patterns, hoping to predict the unpredictable. But the sky above remains restless, twitching with silent fury. Scientists speak of them with reverence, like priests describing ancient deities. Some even confess to dreams of the jets, visions of infinite tunnels of light devouring stars. The boundary between science and nightmare grows thin. There are theories suggesting that life might never arise in regions near active blazars. Entire cosmic neighborhoods sterilized before life had a chance to breathe. The death beam has shaped evolution writ large, from galaxies to atoms. When we chart the cosmos, we might be mapping scars rather than stars. Each point of light, a wound in spacetime caused by ancient violence. The beauty of space is not serenity, but aftermath. To study them is to confront the void's cruelty. We are the first species capable of understanding our own potential extinction on such a scale. Knowledge itself becomes horror when the truth is this vast. Some speculate that blazars might communicate through their radiation, coded signals, perhaps artifacts of older civilizations lost inside the jets. Whether nature or intention, their rhythm suggests intelligence beyond imagining. The thought chills the spine. What if our universe is but one in a chain of annihilations, each begun by such cosmic beams? Death itself, replicated endlessly. The blazars might not be rare, merely survivors of previous universes. Eventually, every black hole will consume what it can, and even blazars will fade. Their jets will thin, their light lost to entropy. The universe, robbed of its voice of fury, will whisper only silence. For now, we remain small observers in a vast, uncaring expanse. We watch the death beams burn and wonder how long before one finds us. In their glow, humanity confronts its own brief, fragile spark of existence. Blazars remind us, the universe is not peaceful, nor gentle. It is powerful beyond morality, ancient beyond reason. And in the deep black between galaxies, it still hungers.